All right, I'm going to show you how to set up a group, your pop-up group. So on your Facebook page, this is from a laptop, you go to groups and then you click create new group. You then name your group whatever you want. I'm actually going to create this for one of my upcoming pop-ups. So Destiny's Cute Nails pop-up. Privacy is private but visible. You then click create, which is under here under all of my notifications. Once it is created, you then should upload a cover. I have a cover saved that I use, so I will just click edit. So you'll want to find a cover. They're in boards, or you can create your own in Canva. Canva works very well. So I have mine on my desktop. I just need to find it. Oh, here it is. So I upload my cover. I save it. It does have this dash that is no longer sold, but for the most part, I don't mind this cover. I've been using it in all of my pop-ups recently. Just find whatever cover works for you. Then I want to go down and add a description. So in the Blooming with Purpose boards, there is a, let me back up so you can see it. There is a blooming pop-up. Natalie updated this about a week ago. So in the pre-pop-up is where you're going to find everything that I am using. So you'll want to make sure that you have the link already, but these are things that I already showed you in a different video. So you have that link, but your pop-up group description, all you have to do is copy and paste it. So I'm going to go to my pop-up right there, and then you just change the name. Oh my gosh, if I could type. And then you'll want to insert her link, which I have it in my red Aspen. So she is right here. I'm going to click on her name, and then so please notice, I did pause you for a second here, but please notice that at the top, I clicked on her name for her party, and her name is here, and my VIP name is here. They both have to be here. This is saying that it's part of my business, my Red Aspen link. So because Dazzling Dashes is here, I know it is complete. So I will copy, and then I will go back to her party and paste it. So again, her name and my name. So your host name needs to be in this link, and your Red Aspen name needs to be the last thing in this link. If you don't have both, go back and redo it. So you save that. So they do, I went back to the boards, and they do give you a cover that you can use. So here's the description we were just at. There is a cover that they use, and actually all of these nails are still available, so this wouldn't be a bad one to use either. And again, they give you the tip to go and use Canva to create your own cover if you want. They give you lots of tips and tricks on how to upload things. I do not follow Blooming with Purpose in creating albums. I think it's a lot for nothing. That's just my personal opinion. If you want to create these 3 albums for Nail Tools, Petty Dashes, and the Mani Dashes, you go right ahead, but I do not upload those. You'll then see that there are some posts that you need to post before your actual start date, whenever that is. I start all of my pop-ups on Monday, so there's some stuff here that you'll want to post into your party. But that is how you set up a pop-up. I now have her name here. I have her cover, and I have, well, you know what? There is one more thing I add. So let me take you to this quick. So I'm going to show you a little thing I do, because I use all different kinds of help. So I go to Flocking. So Flocking Fabulous is above Blooming. And I go to the new Flock winter script and I grab their pinned post, their pinned to feature post that she has. I like it because it is always at the top of your group and it has her link. So again, I like to use a little bit from Blooming and I use a little bit from Flocking. We are welcome to use any of them. In the Sunday, so Flocking, Jamie, starts hers on Tuesdays. I start mine on Monday, so this is stuff that if you're starting on a Monday, you would post this on Saturday, which is what I do. So setting up your Facebook group, she does have a cover in here to use. It is Valentine's theme still, so I don't use it. I did for Valentine's, but I don't anymore. Pre-posts, this is where I get this post right here. So I love using this shop anytime link. So I copy this and I put it, you just post it. And then you have to add the shopping link. So again, this is where I go and I go to the red Aspen. This has still got her name and my name, so it's still good. And then I go back and I paste it here. So now every single person will have this link at the top of the pop-up to use. I do then go and grab the picture. I love this. I just copy it and then I paste it in here. I just say Control C, Control V, and there it is. It gets rid of that link. And I post this. Once I post it, I also then pin it to featured. So anytime anyone needs it, it'll be up here under featured in the pop-up for them. Back in boards, there are a lot of things that Jamie has for us. This is something she thinks you post a welcome, telling everyone about yourself. You include a picture. And then this is also something that gets posted before people actually start to join. So these three things I post into the group before I even invite my host to the group. So here you have it. My group is set up. Just waiting for my other pre-posts, which I'll do. And then you can give it to your host and have them invite away.